Good morning everyone. Through this video, I am going to solve one problem on rapid sand filter. The design of rapid sand filter. The statement of problem is like this. Design a rapid sand filter to treat 10 million liters of raw water per day, allowing 0.5 percentage of filtered water for backwashing. Half hour per day is used for backwashing. Assume necessary data. So here the quantity of water, that is 10 million liters of raw water, that is going to be treated, and 0.5 percentage of filtered water is taken for backwashing for a period of half hour per day. Go to the solution. So first you have to find out total filtered water. Total filtered water is equal to 10 million liters. So here 10 to the power of 6 indicates million liters. 10 million liters means per day. 24 is per day, divided by 24 into 23.5. So here 23.5 means, so in a day, that is 24 hours, just deduct half hour. Half hour means it is a 0.5 hour. The total filtered water is equal to 0.42766 million hour. So here we can assume the rate of filtration for rapid sand filter. So it is in the range of 3000 to 6000 liters per hour per square meter. So for this problem, we are going to assume the rate of filtration is 5000 liter per hour per meter square of bed. Now find out the area of filter. Area of filter is equal to, the one formula is there, that is water demand divided by rate of filtration. Water demand divided by rate of filtration. The water demand is 10 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by 23.5. It is the water demand into 1 divided by 5000, that is rate of filtration. The area of filter is equal to 85.5 meter square. So now we are going to provide two units to find out each bed area, means the area of each filter. So already we know the area of filter is 85.5 meter square divided by number of units, that is 2. The each bed area is equal to 42.77 meter square. Now assume L by B ratio, length to the breadth ratio, is equal to 1.3. It is assumed. Therefore area is equal to L into B. It is the basic formula. Substitute the value of L is equal to 1.3. That is A is equal to, means area is equal to 1.3 B square is equal to, already we know the area, that is 42.77. Therefore the value of B is 5.75. Now substitute the value of B in L equation, that is 5.75 into 1.3. We get the answer of L as 7.5 meter. Assume a depth of sand is 50 to 75 centimeter. Now the design of under drainage system. So here total area of holes, it is assumed, that is 0.2 to 0.5 percentage of bed area. So here taken 0.2 percentage of bed area is equal to 0.2 divided by 100, because it is in terms of percentage, into each bed area is 42.77. The total area of the hole is 0.086 meter square. The area of lateral is equal to 2 times of area of holes of lateral, and area of manifold is equal to 2 into area of laterals. So area of manifold is equal to 4 into area of holes is equal to 4 into the area of hole is 0.086 meter square. Already it is calculated in the previous step. The area of manifold is equal to 0.344, say around 0.35 meter square. Now the diameter of manifold is equal to 5d square by 4, that is 4 into 0.35 divided by pi to the power of 1 by 2. So it is taken from the alternate equation. Therefore the diameter of the manifold is 66 centimeter. Assume cross section of lateral. Assume the center to center of lateral is equal to 30 centimeter. Total number is equal to 7.5 divided by 0.3 is equal to 25 on either side. Now the length of lateral is equal to 5.75 divided by 2 minus 0.66 divided by 2 is equal to 2.545. Cross section area of the lateral is equal to 2 into area of perforations per lateral. Take diameter of hole as 13 mm. Number of holes n into p divided by 4 into the diameter of holes, that is 1.3 centimeter square, is equal to 0.086 into 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 860 centimeter square. Therefore n is equal to, by alternating the equation of 5d square by 4, so 4 into 860 is the area divided by pi into 1.3 square. Therefore number of holes 650. Number of holes per lateral, we have to calculate the number of holes per lateral. 650 divided by 50, 650 divided by 50, that is 13. The area of perforations per lateral is equal to 13 is the number of holes into 5d square by 4. The diameter of the hole is 13 mm, that is 1.3 centimeter square. The area of perforations per lateral is 17.24 centimeter square. Therefore the spacing of holes is equal to length of lateral divided by diameter of the hole. Length of lateral divided by diameter of the hole. So here length of lateral is 2.545 divided by diameter of the hole is 13 is equal to 19.5 centimeter. Cross section area of the lateral is equal to 2 times of the area of perforations per lateral is equal to 2 into the area of perforations per lateral, that is 17.24 is equal to 34.5 centimeter square. Diameter of lateral is equal to 4 into 34.5 divided by pi to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 6.63 centimeter. So here one condition is there, the length of the lateral exceed 60 times of d is equal to, the length of the lateral should not exceed 60 times of d, that is 60 into 6.63 is the diameter of the lateral, that is 3.98. Hence it is acceptable. Rising wash water velocity in bed 50 centimeter in minute. Wash water discharge per bed is equal to 0.5 divided by 60, that is in terms of minute, into 5.75 into 7.5 is equal to 0.36 meter cube per second. The velocity of flow in lateral is equal to wash water discharge per bed divided by total lateral area. The wash water discharge per bed is 0.36 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by total area, lateral area is 50 into 34.5 is equal to 2.08 meter per second. It is okay. Now find out manifold velocity is equal to 0.36 is the wash water discharge divided by 0.345 is the cross section area of lateral is equal to 1.04 meter per second. It is less than 2.25 meter per second, that is okay. Now wash water gutter, discharge of wash water per bed is equal to 0.36 meter cube per second. Therefore the size of the bed is equal to 7.5 into 5.75 meter. Assume 3 troughs running lengthwise at 5.75 divided by 3 is equal to 1.9 meter per meter center to center. Now discharge of each trough is equal to Q by 3. The Q is 0.36 divided by 3 is the number of troughs is equal to 0.12 meter cube per second. Therefore, Q is equal to 1.71 into B into H to the power of 3 by 2. One formula is there. Assume B is a 0.3 meter. Therefore, H raised to 3 by 2 is equal to discharge, that is 0.12 divided by 1.7 into B, that is 0.3. The H raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 0.234. So H is equal to 37.8 centimeter. It is round to be 40 centimeter. So 40 is the H, and assume here freeboard as a 5 centimeter. The total depth is 45 centimeter, and provide slope as 1 in 40. Then clear water reservoir for backwashing. For 4-hour filter capacity, the capacity of the tank is equal to 4 into 5000 into 7.5 into 5.75 into 2 divided by 1000 is equal to 1725 meter cube. This is the capacity of the tank. Assume the depth of D is equal to 5 meter. Surface area is 1725 divided by 5 is equal to 345 meter square. So here we can assume L by B ratio is 2. Therefore, L is equal to area is equal to L into B. The L by B is equal to there 2B square is equal to 345. B is equal to 13 meter and L is equal to 26 meter. Dia of inlet pipe coming from 2 filter is 50 centimeter. The velocity is less than 0.6 meter per second. Dia of wash water pipe to overhead tank is 67.5 centimeter. Air compressor unit 1000 liters of air per minute per meter square bed area. For 5 minutes, you can find out the air compressor for 5 minutes. The air required 1000 liters, that is 5 into 7.5 into 5.77 into 2, that is 4.32 meter cube of air. This is the solution.